ilagay ko okra. So, konti lang yan na ampalaya. One piece at saka dalawang okra. Good for me. And dalawang eggs. So, ayan lang ang ating ulamers for dinner. So, ilagay natin dito guys sa ating. Ayan, maingay ang aking anakis. Ayan guys, dyan natin ilalagay. So, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, mamaya maglagay tayo ng egg. Ng aking anakis at ang aking tata. So, ayan na guys. Happy cooking. Regards from Europe, Croatia. Kamusta po kayo? Kayo. So, hindi ako nakapag-live kanina dahil medyo busy. Busy, honey. And now, isote natin to. Pag wala na siyang parang sauce, ilagay ko na ang scrambled. Yes, nanot ko pa lang. Itlog. Ayan. Gusto ko siya. Malanta ang vegetables. 3 million viewers, shout out. Basa pa ako. Angela, ni-tweet siya ako, no? 4 million viewers, shout out. Yeah, Mama Oshibo, Angela, ni-tweet siya ako, no, molente. So, Angela talaga, no, panay play. Play. So, 6 million viewers, shout out. Nak, molente. So, gusto ko kumain ng rice. So, kakaluto lang ng rice. Ayan, I think it's about time na ilagay na natin ang egg. Ayan, guys. Kasi hindi ako nakakain ng rice kahapon dahil nagpizza kami. Today, sa lunch, sandwich sa lunch. So, ngayon, gusto ko kumain. I want to eat rice. So, nagluto ako I cook 1 cup of rice. So, ito lang yung 1 cup of rice. Ayan, maganda ang klase ng rice. And then, ang palaya, saute. 8 million viewers, shout out. Best regards from Europe, Croatia. Angela Maria, molente. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Para siya, Wow! Ayan. Di ba nawala ang kanyang oil? Recruit production, good food. Yes, it's organic bitter gourd and ladyfinger. And the spices from garden. And I put 2 eggs. That's it. It's a superfood. Recut production. Make a loud shout out. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Now Angela Maria molente. Molente. And I put. So this is our olive oil. Produce. 5 million viewers, 24 million viewers. Make a loud shout out. Dobro došli na môj kanál. Good day, pozdrav. So, Good day, good day. Best regards from Europe, Croatia. Angela Molan, tiniglo siya po, no?